Let's see here. Which Google My Business listing features do you use for clients? Posts, photos, business descriptions. Business descriptions is one that we normally see, Ryan. Wouldn't you agree that hardly anybody, when they first start with us, has filled out?
Yep. They haven't filled out, and they definitely don't know how. They don't know how to fill it out. They don't know how to optimize it. They don't know how to keep it within the terms of service. That's going to keep them from getting banned.
Half the time we find out that their employee is the owner of the business listing. Like they don't even know they don't know that how to sign in or what it's for. And yeah, so there's that. Google My Business Insights, which is very interesting that you use these features, but it also makes sense because obviously, Ryan, we know from the other tracking that we bring in, CallRail, Bright Local, whatever it is, we match it up with Google My Business Insights to see how wrong it is and how right we are.
Yes. It's so true.
Help me, my insights say I only have 70 website clicks, but I know I have more. And so a lot of businesses do not realize how Google tracks their insights and what it really means and what they're really looking at. And why it only says 70. So yeah, definitely that's another good thing.
And there's Crystal. Crystal was quoted in there. There she is. Expert Insights. She was quoted.
Yeah. Another one is, which Google My Business tasks have the most value to local marketing success?
I would say that the only reason why spam fighting is not number one is because people don't know how to spam fight.
The word is just barely starting to get out. Yeah.
Yeah. And I'm even surprised that it's 65% because, and even the spam fighters don't really know all about spam fighting. It is the number one way to, if you're, in my opinion, to just increase and just throttle your results.
While you're sitting at home, working on building your email list so that when you go back, you have somebody, you have your list of customers to send messages to. You can fight spam as well and learn how to turn competitors in who are doing things wrong.
And if you guys want to learn how to do that, you have access to a $300 an hour person in Crystal and a $300 an hour person in myself.
Yep.
Twice a month for an hour. We will answer every question you have. We want, in order for us to be able to help more companies, we want to give you an offer you cannot refuse. It's literally $1 for the first month and $59 every month after that, okay? You get the 2 hours of Zoom conference call, which everybody now knows how to do. Number two is you get access to our membership site where you can consume as much of this information and you can do this yourself. This is a done with you type of service that is more than just, okay, go out there, do it yourself. We're doing it with you because we're doing those Zoom calls. We're answering all your questions. And the third thing you get is we're doing it with you because you have access to our Facebook group where we actually give you answers to your questions in there in between the Zoom calls so that you can get answers to all your questions on how to optimize your Google My Business page so that you can show up like Liberty Property Management and all of our other clients that pay more than $1,000 a month for what you're getting for $69 a month. Look at all these parameters that you can affect with your Google My Business. I mean, this just shows you all of the things that you can manage that are opportunities to optimize your Google My Business page right here. That's what really is coming up for me. And that's why, like, this course would be a great time to do it right now, to get in, to get engaged, to get in the group, to get in the Facebook group, ask questions.
Or look at this one business too. I mean, she was home. I don't remember. I think it was some type of cinnamon bun restaurant type of company. So she decided to close her doors. So she said, well, I'm home. I'm just going to start asking for Google reviews. So she sent out over 60 messages. Well, you and I know, Ryan, Google closed reviews. And so all of those messages that she sent out, she's wondering why nobody can leave a review because Google shut it off because they're on a limited staff as well. And so you just you constantly go through this questioning of, okay, what's next? Or man, I just give up, when there's so much more that you can do that you just don't know about.
Well, I mean, and that's why it's so important to be up to speed on what's going on and when you can get reviews, because we knew exactly the day that you could start getting reviews again. And this is, you know, what you would learn in the course, and actually, you know, as a member, I mean, we will tell you like how to do this stuff.